The entire crypto market is in full-blown panic mode, and everything is bleeding red. XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, nothing is safe right now. Prices are crashing, fear is spreading, and investors are scrambling to figure out what's next. But why is this happening? Is it Trump's latest tariff update sending shockwaves through the markets? Is this just another shakeout before a massive rally? Or are we heading into a real crypto winter? The uncertainty is at an all-time high, and everyone is looking for answers. Something huge is happening behind the scenes, and I just uncovered a shocking detail that left my jaw on the floor. If you're holding XRP, Bitcoin, or any altcoin, you need to hear this before making your next move. What happens next could change everything. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into what's really going on. Look around, and all you see is red. The entire crypto market is in free fall, and panic is spreading like wildfire. Bitcoin has plunged below $990,000. XRP just crashed to $2.15, and nearly every coin in the top 100 is getting absolutely wrecked. Fear is at an all-time high, and investors are scrambling to figure out what's happening. But the real question is why? Some are pointing fingers at Trump's latest tariff updates, which we discussed in last night's video. If you missed it, go check it out later. These new policies could be creating uncertainty in global markets, triggering a sell-off in risk assets like crypto. But let's be real, does this explain the sheer scale of this crash? Or is there something much bigger and more dangerous happening behind the scenes? Could this just be another orchestrated shakeout designed to liquidate over-leveraged traders before a massive rally? Or are we on the brink of something much worse, a full-blown crypto winter that could last for months? The timing is suspicious, and the speed of this collapse raises a lot of questions. But here's where things get really crazy. I just uncovered something that left my jaw on the floor, a detail that nobody is talking about yet. If you're holding XRP, Bitcoin, or any altcoin, you need to hear this before making your next move. Because what happens next could change everything. Buckle up, because we're about to break it all down, and you won't believe what's coming next. XRP technical breakdown. Trouble ahead or a rebound incoming? Let's talk about XRP, because things are getting intense. The price just broke below key support at $2.26, and now it's struggling around $2.15, down over 5.6% today. The sell-off has been brutal, and at one point, XRP even dipped to $2.09 before managing a slight bounce. Now, here's where things get scary. If XRP fails to hold this critical $2.15 support, we could be looking at an even deeper drop, potentially all the way down to $1.96. That's a major psychological level, and if it breaks, things could get ugly fast. The question is, will the bulls step in, or are we heading for another leg down? But it's not just XRP that's on thin ice. Bitcoin is also in dangerous territory. The last time BTC experienced a similar drop, we saw an unexpected reversal that led to a massive rally to a new all-time high. Could history repeat itself? Or is this just the beginning of an even bigger downturn? Right now, the market is at a crossroads. If buyers don't show up soon, we could see a full-scale capitulation event. But if key support levels hold, we might just witness a violent rebound that catches everyone off guard. So, what's next? Are we in for a recovery, or even more pain ahead? Stay tuned, because things are about to get interesting. XRP versus the market. Is it really that bad? There's no denying it. XRP is down hard, dropping 36% from its recent high. It's painful to watch, but let's put things into perspective. How does XRP compare to the rest of the market? Cardano, ADA. Down 50%, even worse than XRP. Solana, SOL. Absolutely crushed, now trailing behind BNB in market cap rankings. Clearly, the entire market is suffering, not just XRP. But here's where things get interesting, perspective matters. Despite the recent sell-off, XRP is still up 53% over the last 3 months. That's right, zooming out, we're actually still in profit compared to the lows. Yes, it's frustrating to see red. Yes, the market feels like it's collapsing. But before making any emotional decisions, remember, every major rally in crypto has been preceded by moments just like this: panic, doubt, and uncertainty. So the real question is this a time to panic, or a time to prepare? Because history shows that those who stay focused during times of fear often come out ahead when the dust settles. Who's out of the money? If you bought XRP above $2.13, chances are you're in the red right now. The recent price drop has left many investors trapped, watching their portfolios shrink. Some jumped in at the peak, convinced that XRP was on its way to $10, $50, or even $100. Now, as reality sets in, frustration is spreading like wildfire. And who's getting the blame? YouTubers. A growing number of investors are pointing fingers, saying content creators hyped XRP to the moon, without considering the risks. People feel misled, and emotions are running high. But let's be real, I never said XRP was going to hit $100 overnight. Some influencers throw out wild predictions for clicks and views, but I've always focused on real analysis and facts. The truth is, markets move in cycles. Sometimes we get explosive rallies, and sometimes we get harsh corrections. The key is understanding the bigger picture and making smart, informed decisions, not just chasing hype. So, if you're down right now, the question isn't just who to blame, it's what to do next. Because while panic leads to bad decisions, knowledge and strategy lead to opportunity. Here's what really left my jaw on the floor. The fear and greed index just plummeted to 25, signaling extreme fear across the market. For context, the last time we were at this level was September 2024, when Bitcoin was trading at just $50,000. That was during one of the most uncertain periods for crypto, when many thought the bull run was over. But here's the twist: despite the fear gripping the market, prices today are still higher than they were back then. That's a huge clue that this sell-off isn't necessarily driven by fundamentals, but rather pure panic and emotional trading. We've seen this pattern before. Fear spikes, weak hands sell, and then, boom, the market reverses when people least expect it. Could history be repeating itself? Or is something bigger brewing? Let's break it down. So, what's the play here? With the market in turmoil, it's decision time. If you're long-term bullish, this could be a massive opportunity. History has shown that some of the biggest gains come after moments of extreme fear like this. Smart investors take advantage of dips, not panic during them. If you panic sell now, you might end up regretting it later. Many traders sell at the bottom out of fear, only to watch prices rebound shortly after. The question is, are you making a decision based on emotion or strategy? Short term, the market is unpredictable. Prices could still swing lower before bouncing back. But if history is any guide, extreme fear often leads to big recoveries. The key is to stay informed, focused, and prepared for what comes next. So, what do you think? Will XRP bounce back, or are we heading even lower? Drop a comment below. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. It's free and helps more people stay informed during this crazy market. Make sure to subscribe for daily crypto updates, and I'll see you in the next one. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any critical updates. Stay strong, XRP holders.